Okay, I'm going to try to take this out, and lots of times on drawers, you may think, how am I supposed to do that? And on this one, there's a little thing right in here. It's very small, and this one you push down, and the other side you pull up to get the drawer out. Let's see, where is it? Oh, right there. Okay, so this left one up, right one down, and now I'm pushing it down. Now I can gently pull that. And that's how you get those out. Whew. That's going to be kind of tricky to get back in. But see, to get back in, I would just leave it pushed in like that and then line it up and stuff, okay? Now, that might give me a better place to lift up on and see if I can't do this all by myself. I wasn't going to show you this next bit, but I thought, hey, why not? I'll show you how I get these back in there. And not all drawers are created equal. Not all drawers will have the little thing on the side. Now see, there's that little thing I was talking about. See, that's on a spring-loaded one. On that side, you lift up on it, see? And on this side, you push down on it. See, there it is right there. That side gets pushed down. And you don't see those all the way, and you can't pull it out all the way until you pull the drawer out all the way. You can't slide those. You see what I'm saying? And so now, see, if I pull these out all the way, I'm going to be fighting it because this is just going to push in as I'm trying to mess with one or the other. So what I like to do is I like to just push them in all the way, because then I'm just going to find that sideways C, like that, see? And I'm going to have that one pushed in, push that one in, push this one in, like that. I've got light on, and I hope I have enough light in here. And then see, because it's so big, I'm gonna fit one side in, that far left-hand side first, before I do the right-hand side. You see what I mean? You might be thinking, hey, anybody knows how to put drawers in, but hey, if you don't put them in right, and if you're not paying attention, you could really mess this up, okay? And so, I'm just kind of showing you how I do it. Okay. See, I need my, oh, there it is, okay. Now I can kind of hold it up. I got the left one in. I don't want to push it in very far. And then get that one pushed back in, and then I can look for that little side groove. I think I got it. And now, there. Okay, got it. Okay, look at it, make sure, because trust me, if you don't get this exactly right, you can go and try to shove it in there. You could wedge it in improperly, and then you're going to have a hard time pulling it back out, and all that kind of good stuff. And I can see this on the side, right there, and it's right where it needs to be. Okay, and that's fine. You try it a couple times to make sure it's in the right groove and all that good stuff. Whew. And you just have to see. I couldn't see it because it was kind of dark in there, and I was up a little bit too high. And you just don't want to force these buggers. You know, you'd think, how hard could it be? But you just have to you just have to spend a few minutes just to make sure that you got it right. I think I got it. Make sure, okay, they both clicked in. Now it's starting to push a little bit harder than the other one, but I've got it now. Okay, and they're both locking, because you want to, as you pull back out, you want to double check it, make sure one side's not cattywampus and this side's didn't click, and maybe it didn't click for a reason because it's not in all the way, or what have you. Okay, all right, that's good enough for that. Now I can put this stuff back away and get ready for my next bit. All right. I couldn't reach that leg from there anyways. There was plywood all on the inside of that and everything. Make sure you don't have any grease on your hands and all that good stuff. Last thing you want is to get grease all over and that kind of thing. Okay, there we go. That's kind of nice. They have this section, but just, man, just don't forget about all the extra storage that you have underneath the rest of your bed. Okay, so now I've got to pull this over, and I'll do it, and I'll fish it over on top of this thing here. I think I'm going to turn this sideways. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll turn this sideways so I can get it. I can just have this here like this, right? Look. And then I can pull the mattress right over on top of that. Back and forth, back and forth. I have to remake the bed and all that kind of stuff. Hey, step by step. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. How do you do something like this? One step at a time.